Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about Ethereum because Ethereum has just broken bullish out of a very important pattern, an ascending triangle pattern, and in doing so, it has broken a critical level of resistance around $3,450. That level, and in fact, it's more of a zone, was constituted by our Fibonacci golden pocket as set up by the 61.8% and the 65% Fibonacci retracement levels, respectively. What all of that means in plain English is that Ethereum has finally broken the final level of resistance that it needs to break before it can start an all-time high run. So we're going to talk about in this video where Ethereum is heading next and how long it might be before the massive alpha of altcoins hits its all-time high next. We're going to talk about all of that in more in today's video. So without much further ado, guys, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. As you can see, guys, we're here on the Ethereum daily chart, and Ethereum rallied all the way up to $4,400 back on the 12th of May. After that, we went into a massive correction, and we pulled all the way down to $1,740 on the 21st of July. What this means is that Ethereum pulled back a massive amount, and in doing so, it has set up the ability for us to use the Fibonacci retracement tool, which is what you see drawn here on this chart. Well, Fibonacci has two levels that are very important to pay attention to. The 61.8% level, which sits at $3,380 on Ethereum, and the level right here, which is 65%, 0.65% at $3,466. Those two levels constitute a zone that was our resistance zone on an uptrending, ascending triangle pattern. Well, now we have actually broken bullish out of that, and Ethereum has rallied above $3,400. In fact, if we look at the hourly chart, just over the last couple of hours, Ethereum rallied all the way up to a local high of $3,800, and that means that we have broken the last major resistance before all-time high. Going on to a clean chart, I can show you guys with a VPVR that there is almost no resistance above us going all the way up to all-time high. You can see from the VPVR right over here that there is next to no resistance, and if we look at our Bollinger Bands, we can see that they are starting to widen as well. We are above the Bollinger Bands quite substantially right now, which signals two things. Number one, it says that the Bollinger Bands are definitely indicating that we're seeing more volatility, which is a very good thing, and it also means that Ethereum might need to calm down just a little bit. But what you see happen a lot of times when the Bollinger Bands are like this is you see a massive breakout and you stay outside of them for a little while. Another thing to point out are the exponential moving averages. We managed to bounce off of the 20 daily EMA 3 major times, and that is a very good thing because it means that we are holding up the market. We are retaining our support, and the market is continuing farther to the upside. Another thing we want to point out is down here on the 4-hourly chart. Looking at the 4-hourly chart, we can see that Ethereum was in an ascending triangle pattern, as we talked about earlier with the Fibonacci retracement, and we had an uptrending level of support right here. If we change that to blue, you can see that this ascending triangle pattern has broken bullish, and somebody on stream a couple of days ago actually referenced this as a half-staff formation. What that means is that the market has a flagpole right here, moving into a pennant right here, and then the way that you use this pattern is you draw a price target just like this. You draw a price target based on what is known as the flag of the half-staff pattern, or as I like to call it, the pennant pattern, the flag pattern, and then you take this and you extrapolate from the breakout. You would extrapolate right here from your bottom on the 26th of August, and as you can see, that gives us a price target both in time and in space, or price, I should say, of $4,666 around the 19th of September. Now, going to full screen and breaking down what all this means. Number one, Ethereum is incredibly bullish. Number two, the fundamentals are amazing. We are seeing a ton of people transacting on the Ethereum blockchain, both with the native Ethereum and other protocols and cryptocurrencies built on top of Ethereum. NFTs are doing very well. The gas fees are very high, which is of concern, but it means that Ethereum is being utilized, which is a very good thing for its price. That means that Ethereum is doing very well fundamentally, and technically, as you can see, it's doing very well also. However, we have to be careful and not just think that we're going to go all the way back up to all-time high by September 19th just because one technical indicator, or in this case chart formation, shows that that's where we're going to go up there. What I think is going to happen is over the course of the next 4 weeks, we're going to see Ethereum rally as a result of things like a daily chart MACD cross, which I can show you right now. Looking on the daily chart for Ethereum, the MACD has now crossed bullish as a result of this rally over the last few hours, and also as a result of the volume starting to uptick. We can see the last 3 days have had quite quite a bit higher volume relative to what we were seeing just a few days ago. All of that to say that Ethereum looks very bullish, both technically and fundamentally. I think that it's not going to rally quite as fast as it did in August, but it is more than likely going to rally pretty quickly, and we should be sitting at all-time high by the end of the month or very early on into October. A lot of people have been concerned about September being a bearish month for the cryptocurrency market. I personally don't think that's going to be the case. I think Ethereum is going to continue doing very well as a result of those technicals and fundamentals. I think Cardano is going to follow along with it, as well as some other smaller cap projects, and I think that it is going to lead the charge that Bitcoin will follow, and I think it'll cause Bitcoin to rally back up to all-time high in just the next couple of months, probably in less than 45 days. So that's my take on Ethereum. That's my price prediction and my time prediction on Ethereum, and that's how I think Ethereum's rally is going to impact the rest of the cryptocurrency space. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the fastest growing cryptocurrency technical analysis channel here on YouTube. You're going to be glad you did, because we try and inform you guys the best we possibly can every single day, so that you guys can become profitable and proficient traders and investors in the cryptocurrency space. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, but that's all I got for you guys. Before I go, though, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Oh, I got a real good feeling. Got a real good feeling.